To access Absa Bank chat support, start by visiting the Absa Bank website or mobile application. Once you are on the website or application, click on the Contact Us or Help section. This will direct you to a page with various contact options, including the chat support feature. Click on the chat support option and a chat window will open. You will be prompted to enter your query or select a topic from a list of frequently asked questions. Type in your query or select a topic and click Send. You will then be connected to a chat agent who will assist you with your query. The chat agent will respond to your query and provide you with the necessary information or assistance. When interacting with the chat agent, be sure to provide clear and concise information about your query. This will enable the chat agent to assist you more efficiently. If the chat agent is unable to resolve your query, they may request to call you or ask you to visit a branch. In this case, provide your contact details and a suitable time for the chat agent to call you. Alternatively, the chat agent may provide you with information on how to resolve your query yourself. In this case, follow the instructions provided by the chat agent. The Absa Bank chat support feature is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. This means you can access the service at any time that is convenient for you. When using the Absa Bank chat support feature, ensure that you are using a secure internet connection. This will help to protect your personal and financial information. By following these steps, you can easily access and use the Absa Bank chat support feature to get assistance with your banking queries.